I think the vast majority of myeloma doctors, and particularly the patients, don't like continuous therapy. And now we need, yes, to identify when to stop treatment. I think there is a risk to early, prematurely stopping the treatment. And we have seen this in the smothering even, that myeloma require quite prolonged treatment. And from my point of view, the duration of the treatment should be a minimum of 2 years after achieving MRD negativity. And this MRD negativity should be sustained, maintained over at least 2 years. Because some people say, okay, MRD negativity at 2 years. No, this is not correct. This should be, once you achieve the MRD negativity, a minimum of 2 years. And I will be confident to stop if the patient has not high risk, because our group has reported and published already what are the risk factors for resurgence of MRD upon stopping treatment. And the risk factors are the following. First is late achievement of MRD negativity. If you achieve the MRD negativity in the early phase of the maintenance, be prudent. You need to continue quite a lot. Second, high risk cytogenetics. Third, high number of circulating tumor cell at diagnosis. And four, high tumor burden. If you put all these together and you are in front of a patient, you say, okay, you have not high risk. The ISS was 1 or 2, no circulating tumor cell diagnosis. You achieve MRD negativity after induction or after transplant, or if you are not transplant candidate, 6 months or 9 months after the starting of the quadruplet, you achieve already MRD negativity. Then I will maintain another 2 years to demonstrate that is sustained MRD. And in this context, I will be happy to stop treatment.